Everyone, I am Shiv Shankar and today I am here to discuss about the GATE General Aptitude Solution GATE 2020 Department of Aerospace Engineering. So this is the question number 1 to 5 which carry 1 mark. So let's come to the question number first. The fishermen fill in the blanks. The flood victims owed their lives but rewarded by the government. So I think whom the flood victims is not correct. To which the flood victims may be, that the flood victim is also not correct. So there is confusion between B and C. To whom is, I think option C is the correct. So the fishermen to whom the flood victims owed their lives were rewarded by the government. So option C is the correct. Now come to the question number second. The some students were not involved in the strike. That means there were a group of students, they did not involve in the strike. So if the above statement is true, which of the following conclusion is are logically correct? So some who were involved in the strike were students. I think this is not correct according to our statement. No student was involved in the strike. This is also wrong. At least one student was involved in the strike. This is not correct. So some students were not involved in the strike were students. Some who were not involved in the strike were students. So I think option 4 is the correct. Some students were not involved in the strike. Some who were not involved in the strike were students. So option 4 is the correct. So 4 is C. So C is correct answer. So now come to the question number third. Third is very interesting question. It is mathematical question. The radius as well as the height of a circular cone is increased by the 10%. Means initial radius is r, then after increase it will be 1.1 r. So let's go to the final solution. So initial volume is equal to pi r square into h by 3. Suppose this is the initial cone and final volume it will increase by 10%. Means final volume will be pi r square, means 1.1 r square into 1.1 h by 3. So change in the volume equal to final volume minus initial volume divided by initial volume into 100. So this is the percentage change in the volume. So finally after the calculation, the percentage change equal to 33.1%. That means option C is the correct answer. So this is the change in volume, percentage change in volume after increasing 10%. Let's move to the question number 4. It is very interesting question. 5 numbers 10, 7, 5, 4 and 2 are to be arranged in the sequence from left to right. The following the direction given below. These are the direction. Accordingly we have to arrange these 5 numbers. The first is no two odd or even number are next to each other. That means 7 will never nearby 5 or 5 and 10 for 2 will not together. Means even or odd will not together. Second is the second number from the left, means it is talking about this is second number, is exactly half. This should be half the leftmost number, means first number. Second number is the half of first number. So if you put 5 here and 10 here, then there is one option. 5 should be here and 10 option. Other option is 4 should be here and 2 should be here. In that case, direction number 1 is violated. So I think 2 and 4 is not valid. 10 and 5 will be valid. So this is first place, it should be 10. Second place is exactly half of first place. So here it will 10 and here it will 5. Now come to the point number 3. the middle number is exactly twice the rightmost number. This is the middle number. It should be twice the here. So it already 10 and 5 it is here. So here it should be twice of this. So here it will number 4 and here it should be 2. So 4 is the twice of 2. Now remaining number is 7. So 7 will be here. Now which is the second number from the right? From the right 7 is the second number. So C is the correct answer. Now move to the question number 5. 5 is until Iran come along, India had never been what is the option? Defeat. I think defeat is not possible because it is already had, and defeatized. So C and D is not correct. We have confusion in A and B. So I think option A will be correct. So had never been defeated in the kabaddi. This is the passive voice, not active voice. For active voice, it may be defeating. So this is question number 5. Now move to the question number 6 to 10. It will carry 2 marks question. And let me come to the question number 6. Since the last 1 year, after a 125 basis point reduction in the repo rate by the Reserve Bank of India, the banking institutions have been making a demand to reduce interest rate on a small saving scheme. Finally, the government announced yesterday a reduce in the interest rate on a small saving scheme to bring a scheme on par with the fixed deposit interest rate. Which of the following statement can be inferred from the given passage? Whenever the Reserve Bank of India reduced the repo rate, the interest rate on a small saving scheme are also reduced. I think this is not correct. The interest rate on the small saving schemes are always maintained on par the fixed deposit interest. This is also not correct. The government sometimes take on consideration to demand the banking institution before the reducing the interest rate on a small saving scheme. The reduction in the interest rate on a small saving scheme follow only after the reduction repo by this. So I think option C is the correct. The government sometimes take into the consideration the demand of banking institution before reducing the interest rate. Option D is also not correct. So C will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 7. This is again very interesting question, and it is confusion type of question, but it is very easy question. In a country of 1400 million population, 70% own mobile phone. Among the mobile phone owners, only 290 million, this is the interesting one, 290 million access the internet. Among these internet users, only half buy goods from the e-commerce portal. What is the percentage of these buyers in the country? So out of 294, only half, that means 294 by, here is the solution. So total population is 1400 million and total 294 buy goods from e-commerce. So total buyers equal to half of these 294 by 2, that means 147. So percentage buyer equal to 147 divided by total into 100. So it will come 10%, 10.5. So answer will be A. Now come to the question number 8. The nomenclature of Hindustani music has changed over the century. Since the medieval period, Dhrupad style were identified as a Vanij. Terms like Gayaki and Waz were used to refer to vocal and instrumental style, respectively. With the institutionalization of music education, the term gharna became acceptable. Gharna originally referred to hereditary musicians from the particular lineage, including disciples and grand disciples. Which of the following pairs is not correct? So I have made the pair. Dhrupad related to Bani, Gayak related to vocal, Baj related to instrumental, and Gharna related to lineage. So I think here everything is A, B and D are correct, but here it is given Baj related to institution and instrumental. It is confusion. So I think C is not correct. So answer will be C. Which one is not correct? Let's move to the question number 9. Two train. This is again mathematical question. Two trains started at 7 a.m. from the same point. The first train traveled from north at a speed of 80 km. The second train traveled south at a speed of 100 km. The time at which they were 540 km apart in AM. So both trains are traveling opposite to each other, 80 km and 100 km. After so this is the separation process. So total speed of the separation equal to 100 plus 80. That means both trains are separated by 80 km per hour. So and total separation should be 540 km. So time equal to total distance by total separation rate. So 540 divided by 180 means after 3 hours they separated by 540 km. In 1 hour it will separate 180 km. In 3 hours it will separate 540 km. So it start from 10 a.m. So it will go to the train started at 10 a.m. So after 3 hours, so answer will be B. So B is the correct answer. Now go to the question number 10, and it is the last question of this video. So I read somewhere that in ancient time the prestige of the kingdom depends upon the number of taxes that it was able to levy on its people. Okay, this is correct, and it was very much like to the prestige of the head hunter in his own community. Based on the paragraph above, prestige of head hunter depends upon. So head hunter depends upon the prestige of the kingdom, no. The prestige of the heads, no. The number of taxes he could levy, no. The number of head he could gather, yeah. How many head he had, it depends upon the number of head. So option D will be the correct. So this is the last question. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly share and like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.